So I had a lot of oats with me. Check out this box right here, and it is a 5 pound bag. So I kind of have to finish it. I just had a fourth of a cup of almonds. I usually make nut milk out of walnuts and almonds and other seeds. But since I kind of ran out of everything, I came up with this recipe of oat and almond milk. And trust me, guys, it really was really good. And so please check out my video and just see how I made it. This is the basic nut milk recipe. You can use the same proportion to make any milk. It could be almond milk or any other milk. Use the same proportions, and you can tweak it to your taste, add any flavorings you want. And basically all these recipes, you have to try them and tweak them, and please share them. So love you guys and stay safe. Let's make some plant milk. 1 cup of oats, 1/4 cup of almonds, and 4 cups of very cold water. Soak the oats and the almonds separately in hot water for 20 minutes. Soaking makes the final product less slimy. After 20 minutes, run it under cold tap water, then drain completely. Now add oats and almonds to 3 or 4 cups of water based on your preference. Now blend the oats and the almonds along with any flavorings in the blender. Strain in a nut milk bag if you have one, or use a muslin cloth and run it twice. This is the final product, guys. Try to use this within a few days because this does not contain any stabilizers or chemicals. So, it doesn't have a very long shelf life, but make sure that you refrigerate it and enjoy. Thank you.